A very happy morning to my cute little children. So kids, here we are with subject science, and our today's chapter is soil erosion and conservation. Okay, today's topic, conservation of soil. Okay, date 15 September 2020. Okay children, so come on, take out your textbook and be ready for our today's class. Now children, see, soil is a very important natural resource. Soil is a very important natural resource for us because many plants grow in the soil, many living organisms live in the soil, okay, and from soil we get various minerals. So soil is a very important natural resource for us. And nature took millions of years to form soil. Soil ऐसे तो नहीं बन गया. क्या हम लैब में जाके ऐसे ही soil बना सकते हैं? No. It took millions of years in the formation of soil. So soil is very important and very valuable. So we should protect the soil from its erosion. The protection of soil from its erosion is called conservation of soil. ठीक है, soil को protect करना from erosion is known as conservation of soil. Soil को हमें बचा के रखना है. क्यों? क्योंकि वो हमारे लिए बहुत यूजफुल है. And see, mark this definition of conservation of soil from here. The protection of soil from its erosion is called conservation of soil. And children, this is very important. Okay? Mark star also. Now we will study how can we conserve soil. Okay, we understood that conservation of soil is very important, but how to conserve the soil? This is the question. हम soil को कैसे बचा सकते? Now we will study the various ways in which we can conserve soil. Now children, the first one is afforestation. See, look at the picture. क्या पता चल रहा है आपको ये पिक्चर देख के? क्या कर रहे हैं ये सब बच्चे? What are these children doing? Yes, they are planting the trees. So you can get the idea what afforestation means. Okay, afforestation is opposite of deforestation. In afforestation, we plant trees in a large area and in a large number. देखो, बहुत बड़ा एरिया है यहाँ और बहुत सारे ट्रीज हम प्लांट कर रहे हैं. This is afforestation, and because of afforestation, what happens? The roots of the trees. See, these are big trees, and big trees have big roots. So this roots hold the soil, and when the soil is hold, what will happen? It will not move away with the wind, with the air, and so on. And this technique is very beneficial in the hilly areas. Hilly areas में अगर आप प्लांट्स उगाओगे, ट्रीज उगाओगे तो क्या होगा? सॉइल इरोजन नहीं होगा और हम सॉइल बचा सकते हैं. Now comes growing plants in farmlands. What do we mean by farmlands? See the picture. What do you get? You will get the idea. See, what are farmlands? See all the pictures. See children, farmland is a land which is used for farming. जिसमें हम खेती करते हैं उसको हम कहते हैं farmland. And we should grow plants in farmlands because farmland is a very huge area. If it is not used for planting the crops, what will happen? The soil which is here, it will get moved away. वो उड़ जाएगा हवा से. It will move away with the running water and we will lose our soil. है ना, ऐसा हो जाएगा. तो we should grow plants in farmlands. Okay. Third one is avoid overgrazing. What should we avoid? We should avoid overgrazing, because children, overgrazing leads to decultivation. It leads to degradation of the soil. And children, if the cattle are grazing on the same land for oftenly, if they are overgrazing, what will happen? The quality of the soil will be degraded, and then new plants will not grow from there. That is why overgrazing should be avoided. Fourth one is construction of embankments. What do we mean by embankments? See, this is the embankment, okay, and this is a river. तो embankment क्या होता है? It is a wall made up of stone. It is a wall made up of stones to stop the river from flooding. Okay, and it is constructed on the side of the river. Why हम ऐसा क्यों करते हैं? जरा सोचिए, क्यों हम पानी को बहने से यहाँ पर रोकते हैं? Because if the river will flow, what will happen? That water will go on the soil, right? And when it will go on the soil, what will happen? The soil will move away with the running water, and we have to stop this. And that is why we construct embankments on the rivers. The last one is children, step farming. Okay, it is also known as terrace farming. It is done in the hilly areas. पहाड़ों पर ये होता है. Can you see from the word itself? See, step. यहाँ पर हमने क्या बनाए हैं? Step बनाए हैं. Why? Because see, hills ऐसे होती हैं, ठीक है? They are in slanting position, and when the rain comes, the water starts to flow. And see, यहाँ पर क्या है? एक slope है. Slope में तो पानी बहुत तेजी से बहेगा. The water will move very fast on the slope. Then what will happen? The top layer, which is very fertile, will move away with the water, and we will lose our soil, है ना? So what we do is we make steps. In steps, what will happen? The water will not move away fast. पानी जल्दी से नीचे नहीं आएगा, because it will get stuck in the steps. Okay? And if suppose the soil which is present here, if it moves away with water also, it will be collected here in the next step. So this is how we conserve soil by step farming. Okay kids, so this was the various ways in which we can conserve soil. And now my question to you is, how can you conserve soil? What is your contribution in this? What can you do? Think for a while. Children, you can plant trees, okay? What value we learned from today's class is that trees are very, very, very important in conservation of soil. And as a good human being, as a good responsible citizen, we should always plant a tree. On your birthdays, on any special occasion, children, plant trees, okay? You will do a very good, fruitful act by doing this, okay? So today our chapter gets finished here. Now I will provide you the notes. Here they are, okay? And I am attaching this file, okay? And I am attaching, children, this file with this video, okay? With this video, this PDF is there. You have to complete your notes fast, children, okay? Study very well, be healthy, keep smiling. May God bless you.